This is Volvo on call.
Volvo on call, you speaking to Warren?
And it's Maggie calling from CMH Volvo in Cape Town.
Yo, what's up guys? Heartbreak Twins here. And today we are going to be picking up something very exciting. Don't tell them me.
Are you guys ready for the XC90 recharge?
Let's do it.
Come on!
Holy shit. Oh! Is this ours, Richard? No, it's Volvo's.
I'm freaking out right now.
Swedish quality, guys. Wow, this is huge.
Congratulations.
Thank you, Maggie.
You guys are going to enjoy this vehicle so much. Keyless entry, keyless stop. Only the one. There we go.
Love the smell of a brand new car.
Yeah. What you have here is Napa perforated leather. Apart from that, it's about safety and the environment first with Volvo. I actually have massaging seats in this XC90.
No way.
So if you push onto that button, that one, you select your intensity.
I want it on hard.
From the top to the bottom. Cooling seats or heated seats.
It's a massage and it's cooling me at the same time. Hey, what's up guys? I've just arrived at Mint Wraps and today we're going to be wrapping this Volvo up. This is the fancy wrap. We're going to put in the car.
That's the good stuff. The best stuff.